In this video, I am going to show you how to add custom fonts to your Wix website. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our Wix website and today we are going to add custom fonts to it. So to add custom fonts to your Wix website, open your Wix website editor. Now to add a custom fonts to your Wix website, just select any text, double click on it, or you can simply click on edit text. After that, here we will see a section for fonts. Under it we will see a drop down menu, so we are going to click on it. After that, here we will see another option, upload fonts, so we are going to click on it. Click upload fonts, select the font from your computer and then click on open. As you can see that our font is now uploading. Once the font is uploaded, just click on done. Now again, if I click on fonts drop down, and after that if I go to the top, here we will see another menu, my fonts, and under it we will see the font that we have just uploaded. So we are going to select our font and then from the top just click on save. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.